Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Mr. Muddathir and this is ICT Year 4, and in today's lesson we're going to start a new unit, Year 4, unit number 3 on the page book, Handling Data. This is found on the book, page number 13. So we're going to start with Handling Data. Alright, there is a software that we're going to use called Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel. To open Microsoft Excel, go to Start. On the list of the programs over here, you can go to Microsoft Office and then click on Microsoft Excel. This is Microsoft Excel 2010, but I'd rather use the 2019. So how to open Microsoft Excel 2019? Again, go to Start. On the list of the programs, look for the software Excel over here. They are basically the same. So this is the software that we're going to study, but what are we going to do with it? We're going to create something called Spreadsheets. So when you open the program, it's going to ask you what type of spreadsheet you want. Just simply click on blank workbook, double click, and it will open. As you can see, this is the software. You have your tools, all of your tools at the top, and you have your spreadsheet right here. So this is a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is, as it say on the book, a spreadsheet is a grid of columns and rows. Where a column crosses a row, it makes a cell, and a cell reference is the name of a cell. It's made up of the column letter and the row number. So let's go back to the Excel or the spreadsheet. So this is a column, this is a column, and this is a column. All of these are columns. And what are these? Rows. We call those rows. So what do we call each and every box? A cell. Cell. And every cell in this spreadsheet has a name. Okay, so how do we get the name of each and every cell? For example, what is the name of this cell? You notice that every column has a letter and every row has a number, right? So if I picked up this cell's name is B2. B2, as it's written over here. Okay, can you name the cell reference, or can you give me the cell reference for this cell? A1, right? What about this one? B1. What about this one? B3, that is correct. Alright, so now we know what a spreadsheet is. All of this is called a spreadsheet, and this is Microsoft Excel. We use Excel to create spreadsheet, and a spreadsheet contains columns and rows, and each and every box in here we call it a cell, and the name for the cell is called a cell reference. Perfect. Alright, let's create our first spreadsheet. Open the book, page number 14. You'll find a spreadsheet or an example for a spreadsheet right here. Let's use Microsoft Excel to create that spreadsheet. To type data or information onto a spreadsheet, simply click on the cell that you want to type on and start typing. It's as simple as that. Okay, so it says here, what do you want to be when you grow up? In A2. So I'm going to click on A2 and type. Wonderful. I'm going to keep typing until I'm done with every information on this spreadsheet. So the first one is, I'm going to leave this box A3 and I'm going to jump to A4 to start typing. Doctor, computer programmer, and so on till the last one. Alright, so I got to total, which is in A14, but you can see that the more I typed, the more it gets into the other boxes. To arrange this, simply go to right here in between two columns. The shape of the mouse is going to change, so just click on it and push it to the right this way. Now you notice it's a bit more organized. Okay, so I made up this list of what you want to be when you grow up, and I asked all my friends in the class. 4 of them said that they want to become a doctor. 6 of them said that they want to become computer engineers. Business person 3, homemaker and parent 8. See, if I want to type on a cell, I would just click on it and type. Singer or actor, how many people? 5. 9 people said that they want to become teachers. Astronauts 2. No, I should click first and then type. Football players 1. Some people said that they want to be something different or something else. And this is how you create a spreadsheet. Now I've created a list with all of the occupations that I can find, and I asked all of my students or all of my friends what do they want to become, and these are the numbers. Okay, now we're done with creating a spreadsheet. Now we want to go and make it look better. How to make a spreadsheet look better. Format the spreadsheet to stand out from the other labels. Alright, so this is our spreadsheet. We have to learn 2 things: labels and values. So this is a label, this is a label, and all of those are labels. What are labels? Labels tells us the number for the label or the value for the label. So every word in a spreadsheet is called label, but every number is called a value. Now I want to make my spreadsheet look better. If you click on one cell, go to Home. Let's maximize this window. It's exactly the same as Microsoft Word. You can change the font from here, from this menu. Let's make the title of the spreadsheet bigger, and let's make this in bold, and let's add color to these cells. Let's say gray, yeah, light gray. And this is the total for the students, so let's add a color here as well. How about blue? Yes. So that was it, guys. In this lesson we learned to use Microsoft Excel to create what? Spreadsheets. A spreadsheet is nothing but columns and rows. It has labels and values, and each cell has a cell reference. For example, this one's cell reference is A1. This one is D6. When you're done creating this survey, please save your work because we're going to continue with it in the next lesson. Well, that is it for this lesson. I hope you guys learned something. Happy learning, please practice, and take care till the next lesson. Bye!